Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics ready. Open YouTube in a compatible browser or the mobile app and make sure the video is in its own tab or window. Once done, check that your browser or OS allows picture-in-picture. On desktop, right-click the video twice or use the Pi-P menu, and on mobile, enable background play or Pi-P in app settings. Do this now so you can trigger Pi-P immediately when the video is playing. With the video playing, you perform the key action. On desktop, right-click the video twice to reveal the Enter Picture-in-Picture option, then click it. The video detaches into a floating window. Once detached, you can resize or pin it. On Android or iOS, tap the Pi-P icon if visible, or press Home after enabling Pi-P in settings to force the player into a floating window. Make sure to position it so it does not block essential UI while you continue working. Finish by mastering controls and a key troubleshooting step. You can drag and resize the Pi-P window, tap it to reveal play/pause and close. If Pi-P won't start, quit and reopen the browser or app, confirm System Pi-P permission, and disable extensions that block pop-ups. These fixes resolve most issues. Finally, note that some DRM or premium videos restrict Pi-P. If that happens,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.